Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use sugar beads to make a beaded bag handle. Welcome to Ayaba Creations. On this channel, we learn how to make simple beaded crafts. If today is your first time, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. You can also visit us on Instagram at Ayaba Store or pick up the WhatsApp number on your screen if you want to make inquiries about the purchasing of raw materials or branded tags. So this method is very simple. First, you cut your long beading thread, that's 0.8 mm beading thread. Then you are going to pick 4 of the sugar beads. So this sugar beads is size 10 mm. So when I take 4 of the sugar beads, I'm going to pass the beading thread through all 4 to look like this. Then I'm going to take the 4th bead, okay, and I'm going to cross with the other side of the beading thread. Okay, so it will look like this. Then when you are done, what you are going to do next is to pick 3 beads. So you're going to put one on each of the beading thread. So 3 beads, 1 bead here and then the other bead on the other side. Then when you are done, you just cross with the 3rd bead to give a ring of 4 again. Now we are going to add 3 beads again, but all 3 is going to go through just 1 beading thread on one side. I will cross with the 3rd bead to give a ring of 4 beads. So you should have something like this. Okay, going forward, what we are going to do next is to take 3 beads again. So we are going to put all 3 on one side of the beading thread. Then we are going to cross with the 3rd one to give a ring of 4 beads. Okay, so like this. What you are going to do next is to pass the beading thread through the next bead. Then you are going to add 2 beads, 1, 2, cross with the 2nd one to give a ring of 4 beads. Then you are going to pass the beading thread through the next bead and you are going to add 2 beads again. Okay, so 1, 2, cross with the 2nd bead to give a ring of 4 beads. Alright, then what you are going to do again is to add 3 beads. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you're going to cross with the 2nd bead to give a ring. You're going to cross with the 3rd bead this time around, 3rd bead to give a ring of 4 beads. Then you're going to pass the beading thread through the next bead, add 2 beads, cross with the 2nd bead to give a ring of 4 beads. I'm sure by now you get the pattern, so that's exactly what you'll be doing. Okay, so let's do this one again, passing it through the next bead. Then you're going to add 2 beads. So 1, 2, cross, 2nd. Now you see, so you can do this as long as you want, whichever length you want, you can do it. Okay, so now let's continue. I continued beading off camera. Okay, so we are almost done. Alright, then what you're going to do here is to pass the beading thread through the next bead, add 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead. Okay, so you see how the crossing is done. Alright, so in total I did 24 off camera. Okay, but you can do lesser or more depending on how long you want your bag handle to look like. Then when you are done, you are just going to fold in like this. Okay, so what you are going to do now is just add 1 bead. So first you are going to take 1 bead, then with the same beading thread we are going to pass that beading thread through the next bead on the opposite side, which is this one. Okay, then we will take 1 bead and cross with that bead like that. Then what we are going to do next is to pass this beading thread through this bead and this beading thread also through this bead. Okay, and when we are done, we just take 1 bead and cross. Alright, so we are going again. You're going to pass this beading thread through this bead and this beading thread also through this bead here. Take 1 bead and cross. So we are crossing. Alright, so that's what you'll be repeating till you are done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in our next video. Bye.